Hello, everyone. Uh, Thank you for tuning in. My name is Manish Vaidya. I'm a product manager on the domains team. And today I want to use this opportunity through this webinar to share with you guys some very exciting updates that we have made to the Domain Control Center, or the DCC as we refer to it. It's the primary interface by which your customers manage their portfolio of domains. So let me show a demo, which is the best way to walk through a new product, uh, and then talk about what are the changes that we are bringing. I'm logged in to a reseller account, a customer account right now, one of our test accounts, and I'm on the My Accounts, My Products page. And from here, you can go to Manage Domains page by clicking on the Manage All link. And this will bring you straight into the new view that we are introducing. So if you'll notice here, there are 4 different icons here, and these are different ways that your users can manage their domain portfolio. We have the card view, then what we call the simple list, and then we have the advanced list view, which is the interface that we are moving off of, and we've put this helpful message here that lets your users know that this is going to be end of life. And then that brings us to the new interface for managing domain portfolios called the advanced list view. Uh, the team has put a lot of effort into completely rebuilding this experience and targeting it at helping users manage large portfolios. And this is not just a change on the user interface. We've put a lot of effort on the front end as well as the back end of the system, which has been completely rewritten with the latest technologies, including Data Fabric. And what that allows us to do is load all the information in this view very fast. Even if you have somebody with 1,000 domains, it's going to load within a couple of milliseconds. It's super fast, super efficient on the back end, and a completely rebuilt front end with a modern look and feel, and a really user-centric focus on allowing users to manage their portfolio very efficiently. So I'm just going to show some of the key features. Right at the top, we've provided links for users to sort their portfolio and take a quick glance at domains that are coming up for expiry here in the next month or so, that have already expired, or quick filters on expiry 18 days ago. 18 days is a number that's relevant because beyond that, domains go into redemption and are much harder to recover. So we want to help our users quickly identify the domains that are in that time frame. In just terms of the layout itself, we have added the ability for users to edit columns and just pick the columns that are relevant to what they are looking to do, including things like name server settings, and look at all the details in a very easy fashion here on the advanced list view. We, of course, support sorting by the domain name, but also supporting by things like expiry date. Again, very important for users to know the life cycle of the domain. So we've made that super easy. And then, across the top here, you'll see a lot of very advanced settings that can be used at a domain level or for your entire portfolio. You can go in and select the whole portfolio and then do renewals or change auto renew settings, or even consolidate the expiry dates. You can manage all your settings, your DNS settings, various attributes of the domain. And then, you can also add on products from here, such as, privacy, security, SSL, and so on. So we've made that super easy, super intuitive, in a nice, clean interface. Um, the other real powerful thing we've done is enhance the filtering options. So you can actually filter on TLDs. Just look at the ones that really matter to you in terms of your portfolio. You can set up specific ranges for your domain expiry. You can sort by lock status, privacy, name servers, um, different types of filters that you can use in your searches. And then you can actually take this and save the search. And then when you come back into this view, it will be available very simply under your saved searches. So you do not have to go and create the settings all over again. They're very easily saved for you and available under saved searches. So, a lot of features built in here for helping your users manage their portfolio really easily. From here, they can, of course, always go to the DNS settings page that's available, and the domain settings page. Those continue to exist and are also accessible from this view. But the real power here is super fast backend, a user-friendly, modern front-end interface, the ability to create custom searches and save them, and then a whole series of operations that are available to perform on your entire portfolio. We believe this is really going to help users with their day-to-day tasks and make continue to make the product better. So, wanted to bring that information to you. Please have your users try this new interface. The old one will be getting retired very soon here in a couple of weeks. Send us feedback on, how the features are being received, and if there are suggestions for improvement. The reseller team is, of course, available for answering any questions, and from the product team, we are also happy to receive all the feedback and answer any questions you may have. So that's the demo. Thank you very much.